In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy n8n on Google Cloud Free Tier Complete Self-Hosting Guide. We're setting up n8n to run around the clock on Google Cloud's always free resources, so your automations keep working even when your computer is off. I'll walk you through the process from account setup to seeing n8n in your browser, with a quick security tip at the end. First, create a Google Cloud account. Head to cloud.google.com and sign up. New users typically receive free credits, which is great for testing. Once you're in the console dashboard, you're ready to provision a server. Next, enable Compute Engine. Use the top search bar to find Compute Engine, open it, and enable the API if prompted. This unlocks Google's virtual machines, which we'll use to host n8n. Now, create your virtual machine. Go to VM Instances and click Create Instance. Give it a clear name like n8n Server, and choose a region close to you for lower latency. For the machine type, pick E2 Micro, because that's the option that qualifies for the free tier in eligible regions. For the boot disk, select Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, a stable, long-term support release. Under Firewall, check both Allow HTTP traffic and Allow HTTPS traffic, so the instance is reachable for web access. Then click Create, and Google Cloud will spin up your server. When it's running, connect via SSH. Click the SSH button right from the VM list. This opens a terminal in your browser, so you can manage the server without any extra tools. You're now inside your cloud machine. Install Docker on this server. Docker lets you run n8n as a container, keeping the setup simple and portable. After installation, verify it by checking the Docker version. If you see a version number, everything is working. Run n8n with a simple Docker command that pulls the n8n image and maps it to port 5678. This downloads n8n and launches it immediately. Back in the Google Cloud console, copy your VM's external IP address. In your browser, go to http://yourserverip:5678. You should see n8n's interface, confirming the deployment is live. As an optional but recommended step, add login protection. Restart n8n with basic authentication enabled so it prompts for a username and password. Always secure any public service you run on the internet. And that's it. You now have n8n running 24/7 on the Google Cloud Free Tier. Your workflows stay active, your laptop can stay off, and your automations keep flowing.